In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then tap at settings. On settings, tap at your name at the very top, and all you have to do now is just tap at edit. After that, edit again, and then choose use avatar, take photo, choose photo, or delete photo. You can tap at choose photo, and that will open up camera roll, and from here we can choose any photo. Let me find one. Let it be that one. We can just tap on it to select. After that we can resize it just like that, and then tap at choose to set this picture as our profile picture on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.